Hi, I'm Rex Davidson with OEM Products. We're going to show you today how to change the hydraulic oil and filters in a lightning floor scraping machine. Okay, so the stuff we're going to need today to get this job done is something to drain the oil into. Got a rag. We're going to need an oil filter wrench. This is the smaller style. 3/8 Allen wrench to get the drain plug loose. We're going to need about 12 quarts of this 15W50 fully synthetic engine oil. It holds about 3 gallons, so 3 to 3.5 gallons. We're going to be good with that. And a funnel to put the oil back in. 2 of the hydraulic filters. It's a part number LH-010. We've got everything we need here, so let's go get started. Okay, in order to keep this from dribbling up underneath here, I'm gonna just put a piece of cardboard in here and use it as a funnel to go into my bucket. Got a 3/8 Allen wrench. And we're going to take this plug out. Now that's going to start the oil draining. And we can come over here and remove the oil fill cap, and it'll allow that oil to come out a lot easier, a lot faster. So once we get the oil drained out of it, then we can change the filters on the other side of the tank here and put the plug back in. Okay, so we've got the oil filter wrench. We've got 2 filters here. We're going to unscrew this back one. I'm going to get the one on the front. Pretty easy to get to. And we're going to take these off. We shouldn't have very much drainage because it all drains out whenever you take the oil out of it. And then whenever we get the new filters, we're going to put a little lubrication on this seal so it'll turn on there easily. And we're going to put it right back here on the top, screw it on, and after it mates up, we're going to turn it another 3/4 of a turn, like that. We'll do the same thing on this other side. Put a little bit of oil on the seal. Put it down on there until it touches the surface. And then we'll go another 3/4 of a turn. And now we're ready to put the oil back in. Okay, so when we get the filters put back on, we get the drain plug put in. We're going to put a funnel in there. This is 15W50 fully synthetic Mobil 1 oil. You can use just about anything out there that's fully synthetic 15W50, but it is motor oil, it's not hydraulic oil. This is going to hold about 3.5 gallons. So we're going to put this in 1/4 at a time. This happens to be our last quart we got to put in. We're ready to go back to work. So there's the last quart we need to put in there. 3.5 gallons. We're ready to go put the lid back on and go back to work. Okay, so we got finished up with changing the hydraulic oil and filters on the Lightning floor scraper machine. It's filled back up, ready to go to work. If you have any questions, look us up on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, tileremoval.com, or YouTube. or if you have any specific questions or would like to see any additional videos or training videos, give us a shout. Thanks.